horse. A horse. In this video, I would like to show you a horse. I'd like to show you a picture of a horse. But I must find it first. I don't know where it is. I'm looking for a picture of a horse. You know, a horse is a big animal. For example, this is an animal. And is this a horse? Oh no, it is not a horse. It is a cow. A cow. A cowboy. The cow gives us milk, but it is not a horse. And what is that? What's that? Is that a horse? Oh no, it is not a horse. It is a goat. A goat. It gives us milk too. Do you like goat's milk? To be honest, I don't. I do not like goat's milk. But what I really love is goat cheese. I'm looking for a picture of a horse and I cannot find it. I can't find it anywhere. Look at this animal. It is a cock. A cock. And this is a peacock. A cock. A peacock. But this peacock is very special because it is white. But I'm trying to find a horse. I'm looking for a horse. Oh, here it is. This is a horse. This animal in the picture is a horse. It's a beautiful animal. And you can ride it. People can ride horses, but I cannot. I can't ride a horse. The only thing I can ride is a bicycle. I can ride a bicycle, but I can't ride a horse. And what about you? Can you ride a horse? And what is your favorite animal?